Okay, so here's the two options for you. This one, there's a couple things that are taken off or spoken for, but majority of this guy is available as far as the frame goes, and the chassis, the axles and whatnot. So we've pulled the engine and transmission out of it, but it still has the better part of, it's got all the suspension, which is a Rubicon Express long arm, and then it's got this axle set, and I'll have to confirm what exactly it is as far as what's inside of these, because that's something that's going to be determined. So this guy, disc brakes in the rear, and then like I said, we'll figure out exactly. It looks like an 8.8, but it could be, I could be wrong on that. It could be something else made by the same company to do this front one. So you could do the whole frame if you're interested, and everything from basically frame down on this guy, anti-rock, sway bars, and you could throw your tub on it, ready to go. This tub is pretty crinkled up. The fenders are kind of a DIY, and they're neither here nor there, not great. I mean, we're probably going to toss them, so if you're interested in the fenders. The tub isn't fantastic. Again, probably something that we're not really interested in. So if you wanted to work something out as far as the bottom stuff, and I could give you this on top, and then maybe either, I know you said yours is crunched here. You can maybe make the two, or I could get you a clean tub you could throw on this thing as well. But the tubs are definitely low right now as well. So, and I could peel off the stuff I want on the dash and some of that as far as that goes. So just to give you food for thought as far as like more of a ready to go build in a sense, because this is how we're going to sell it. So essentially what we're going to do here in a couple weeks, we'll have the tub popped. We'll remove the bumpers because those sold. We'll keep the Curry anti-rock more than likely on this setup so that it's essentially a good chassis that somebody can put back together, throw an engine in it, and have a nice rock crawler / go down the road, because that's what these really is made with these long arm kit to do, is to be able to handle kind of both, the best of both worlds. So the hood is neither here nor there. It's just covering up what we have left underneath the hood. That's good. All right, so that's one option. And then there's a little bit simpler and a lot cheaper option, which would be the frame that's on this guy. And it's a nice, clean, solid frame. It also had a Curry on it, although that's been removed. And it is, as you see it as of right now, again, we still have some stuff to pull out of the inside of it, but the frame is set up for a long arm on this guy. So if this is something, you're going to go to, then I would save the money and go to this frame, and then build everything, order your suspension kit, your lift kit, all that stuff. You can go to something like this, save the money because this is a modified frame, so we discount those. Or you can go to an unmodified frame, and something that I have one of each right now, as far as 9702 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder, and then I have one of each on the 03 to 06 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder. So okay, so I give you a couple options. I'll fire this off to you here in a minute. I probably have to upload it to YouTube because I'm sure it's going to be too long. For those of you that catch this and don't know, I should have introduced myself. Jeremy here, JeepsUnlimitedPartsBreakers.com. 303-666-9020. We have a huge yard here. We're kind of reorganizing, so pardon the mess. But essentially, a customer called, somebody I actually know from a while ago, we've worked with before, was looking for a frame primarily. And I mentioned, hey, if you're going to be building this thing up, putting suspension lift kit, long arm specifically, a long arm lift kit, I have two frames back there. One is this guy here, which has already had a long arm. The long arm pieces have all gone. They're all sold off that one. That one had the same kit though as that other one. So if you're going to go back to a Rubicon Express lift or something similar, then I would say save the money, and we knock off a decent amount on these frames that have been modified like that. And then if anybody or he's looking for something he doesn't have to do quite as much work to, as far as that's already being set up, the kit's already on it, and it's got a set of upgraded axles, definitely a locker in the front, an ARB, and I think it probably has one in the back, but we'll have to verify that. I know for sure it's got that RockJock 44 in the front, and then the rear I'll have to get in and see exactly if that's just a 8/8 that's been modified for a TJ, which is really common, or indeed it was some sort of manufactured axle as well. So, okay. All right. Thanks again for hanging out today, and it's hot as can be. So we'll enjoy the heat while we have it for another probably a month or two. And then it'll start getting cold and we'll start bitching about that. So have a great day. 303-666-9020. Thanks again. Thanks, Griffin.